Kimberly Crawford here with Press One Cash. Just wanted to give you guys an update on how the system is working. Working really, really well. So I've made $800 in my last couple days with the system. It's truly a simple automated system. It really is an automated system. The system gives you so many different resources to drive traffic. And that's actually right now with just free traffic off of Facebook. The system gives you, once you sign up, you're going to get your own SMS number. They're going to give you 100 free credits off the bat, right? So you don't have to purchase any additional credits. You can use those credits, make money, scale up, and buy more credits. And the credits are so cheap. I have like 2,000, almost about 1,700 credits now because I have so many people coming through. You have your back office with tracking and training, a built-in one-up compensation plan. So every person that comes in, you're going to get their first person, right? So that shows how much money you can make with this system. Again, they just call your number, right? When you sign up, they're going to give you an assigned number. They call your number, and then that number, when they call, they're going to say, hey, and you can test it out for yourself. It's going to give a pre-recorded message, and it's going to direct them to press 1. When they press 1, your website is going to automatically go to their cell phone. Now, the good thing about the system is that you can change that. You can change where right now I'm just advertising the system, but you can change that website to any website that you want. So it doesn't matter what product you're offering, doesn't matter what service you're offering, whether it's travel, potions, lotions, weight loss products, doesn't matter. You can direct your number when they press 1 to go to any website of your choice. All right. Who would buy the product? Guys, this is for everyone. This is for anyone who sells any type of product or services. You can, like I said, you can plug in your primary business opportunity, and your prospects will press 1 and receive your text with your website within seconds, right? It comes through very, very quickly. It shows you how to market the system. Of course, I got my own Facebook training. People are seeing progress right away with the system. I want to show you guys the training. Let me see if I'm actually in my back office right now. The resources that they have. Let me log back in. Okay, I got to make sure I'm not a robot. No, I'm not a robot. I'm a real person. All right. Oh, I hate when they make you do this thingy here. Okay. I think that's all the storefronts. Let's verify and see. All right, so we're gonna log in. All right, so when you log in, this is your dashboard. It shows you, so your replicated website will be here. Your phone number is listed here. This is where you put where you want your, so when someone calls your number and they press 1, you put whatever website you want them to go to here, right? This is where you put your payment instructions. Sorry about that, turn my phone down here. But you can customize your message if you want to use another message besides the press 1 message. I'm going to scroll really quickly. This is just an example of how many people actually press 1, guys. It converts, right? You have so many people pressing 1 versus people hanging up. Again, I'll let you see how many people press 1 on there. But you have so many people pressing 1. This is your resources area. You can do ringless voicemail campaigns. They show you, different capture pages you can use, a hotline box, postcard marketing, newspaper ads, online advertisements. They actually give you sample ads that you can actually copy and paste. So you don't have to come up with your own verbiage. Just copy and paste the sample ads. Again, I tell people the only thing you have to do is just drive traffic or get people to call your number. Once they call your number, they hear that automatic message. They are going to go in and they are going to press 1. The message that Press One Cash has set up is a very compelling message, and it gets people to press 1. It got me to press 1. I signed up immediately that same night to get started. So the system converts, it works. Again, it gives you all your resources. All you have to do is get started. They're going to give you your assigned number. Again, this is once you get started, you're going to have your own website like this. And then people, when they go to your website, they can actually click here and it's going to dial your number. So you're going to get your own replicated website to advertise, but it's really, really simple. You can plug in how much income you want to make so you can set your goals. But I tell people all the time, even if you do 4 sales a month, that's $800. I did that in a couple of days. So it's very doable. What would that do for you and your family, guys? Again, only thing you're doing is driving traffic to your phone number or to your website. And another way you can use it, if you want to use it for your primary business, then you just plug in your website here. Then if you want to, you plug in your website here. And then if you want to resell it, you just send people to this website, right? So you can have two different offerings going, selling the system. So if you're making $200 a pop, selling the system, and then you can be marketing your own company by directing them here and putting your own company information into the box here to direct them to wherever you want them to go. Again, this is proof that people are pressing one. You can see that here. People are pressing one every single day with the system. Again, a ton of resources. You'll get your own page just like this once you get started. I have a Facebook group that you can be added to, and a free training chat that you can be added to, that I put in different resources to keep everyone going, everyone motivated. Everyone's excited about this opportunity because you're simply sharing a phone number. It doesn't require any tech skills, nothing you have to set up. You just sign up. They're going to give you your own replicated website. You have your phone number. Now all you do is just advertise that phone number and let the system do the heavy lifting for you guys. So I will see you on the inside. If you have any questions, feel free to get back with me. If you want to test out the system, go ahead and give this number a call and see how quickly you get that text message to your phone. Again, the system is designed to help you advertise any business that you want to advertise. Again, this system has made me 800 in the last couple days, and I haven't even begun to run some heavy traffic with it. I do have a campaign waiting right now, some voicemail drops that I ordered. And actually, let me see if I can show you how cheap they are. Hold on here. Yeah, if you go to the site here, it's going to show you how you can order, and they're cheap, guys. I mean, these are cheap. Again, this is a spinoff from Go Ringless. So the prices to drive traffic is very cheap. You just drive them to your website, or if you want to get a capture page, you can do that. I'm currently using a capture page to drive traffic. But again, this right here will just get you started. You'll immediately get your number, and you immediately get your entire system. I call it a cash machine because people are pressing one like crazy. Again, you can see right here. Let's shut that down. Yeah, I did. Let me log back in. All right. Hope it don't make me go through this all over again. I am not a robot. Traffic lights. Jeez. Let's see. That's buses. All right. I think there we go. All right. So let's log in. And then again, you can see right here how many people are pressing one there, right? Ton of people pressing one, guys. So I'll see you on the next video. Again, this will be your replicated website. Get started, guys. Even if you make 2 sales a month, that's $400 a month. That's a car payment. And this system is very easy and it's high converting. See you on the next video.